Once upon a time, in the heart of a bustling city, lived a young woman named Lily. Lily was known for her beautiful singing voice that could make the toughest heart melt. However, she had a secret. She wasn't truly honest in her personal life. She often told little white lies to avoid hurting others or to get what she wanted. But deep down, she knew that being dishonest wasn't right. One day, an old and wise woman named Willow noticed Lily's dishonesty. She called Lily aside and said, "My dear child, I see that you have a beautiful voice, but it seems your honesty is even more enchanting. You must learn the magic of being truthful, for it is the key to a fulfilling life." Intrigued by the old woman's words, Lily asked, "But how can being honest be magical?" "Sometimes it's easier to tell a small lie than to hurt someone with the truth." Willow smiled knowingly and replied, "Ah, you are so close to understanding the magic of honesty. It's not about avoiding pain, my dear, but about embracing the power of truth. When you're honest, you become free from the burden of hiding your true self. It's like a weight lifted from your shoulders, allowing your spirit to soar." She then shared an enchanting tale. Once upon a time, there was a young prince who always wore a mask, hiding his face from the world. He feared that he wasn't good enough, so he lived his life in secrecy. One day, he met a princess who didn't care about his looks. She saw beyond the mask and accepted him for who he was. The prince was amazed and began to question why he had hidden himself for so long. With the princess's encouragement, he decided to take off his mask and embrace his true identity. As soon as he did, a wave of relief washed over him. He realized that honesty was the key to living a genuine and fulfilling life. The story left a deep impression on Lily. She started to realize that being honest, like taking off the prince's mask, could set her free from the burden of her lies. But it wasn't easy. Her habit of dishonesty had become so ingrained that it felt like second nature. One day, Lily found herself in a situation where she needed to choose between honesty and a comfortable lie. A friend of hers, Sam, had invited her to a party. But when the day arrived, Lily didn't feel like going. She considered telling a white lie that she was sick so she could stay home and relax. However, she remembered the old woman's words and decided to be honest. She told Sam the truth, saying she just didn't feel like going to the party. To her surprise, Sam didn't get angry or try to convince her to come. Instead, he said, "It's okay, Lily. I understand sometimes we just need some me time." His understanding and acceptance made Lily feel lighter, as if a weight had been lifted from her chest. From that day on, Lily strived to be more honest in all aspects of her life. She faced many situations where she could have lied, but she chose truth instead. It wasn't always easy, but she found that the freedom and lightness that came with honesty were worth it. However, there were some people who didn't react well to Lily's newfound honesty. Her old friend, Chloe, was one of them. They had made plans to go shopping, but when Lily arrived, she told Chloe the truth that she had actually been dreading going. Chloe got really upset and said, "What? You could have just lied and said you were busy. Now I have to find someone else to go with." Lily felt bad, but she knew that she could uncontinue their friendship if she was honest with herself and Chloe. She explained why she couldn't keep up with the lie. And while Chloe was initially angry, she eventually understood Lily's perspective and apologized for her reaction. As time passed, Lily's reputation for honesty began to spread throughout the city. People admired her courage to speak the truth, no matter how difficult it might be. Even her relationship with her parents improved because they, too, appreciated her honesty. Before, she had often lied to cover up small mistakes, but now they saw her sincerity, and it strengthened their bond. One evening, while walking home from a friend's house, Lily heard a commotion in an alley. She cautiously approached and saw a group of children bullying a younger boy. Without hesitation, Lily stepped in and told the children that their behavior was wrong. Startled by her sudden appearance, the children stopped and stared at her. "Why do you care?" One of them sneered. "Because it's not okay to treat others badly," Lily replied honestly. Her words echoed in the small space, amplifying their impact. The children looked at each other, realizing the truth in Lily's words. They felt ashamed and quickly ran away. The younger boy, wiping tears from his eyes, thanked Lily for standing up for him. From that day forward, the children in the neighborhood formed a strong bond of friendship. They played together, shared their secrets, and supported each other through thick and thin. They learned that honesty and kindness were the keys to building trust and creating lasting friendships. As the years went by, Lily became a beacon of honesty in the community. People would come to her for advice, knowing that she would always tell them the truth in the kindest way possible. And whenever she faced tough decisions, she remembered the stories of the prince and the children and the valuable lessons they taught her. Now, you might be wondering, did Lily ever become famous for her amazing voice? Well, yes, she did. But it wasn't because of any special talent or trick. It was because she was honest about who she was. In fact, she once turned down an offer from a famous music producer who wanted her to change her style and be someone she wasn't. Although it was a difficult decision, she knew that staying true to herself was more important than fame and fortune. And guess what? Her decision paid off. She gained even more respect and admiration from her fans because they loved her for being real. As Lily looked back on her journey, she realized that the old woman's words had changed her life forever. She understood that the magic of honesty wasn't just about speaking the truth. It was about embracing her true self, facing challenges with courage, and treating others with kindness and respect. It was about living a life filled with integrity and authenticity. And here's something wonderful. Lily never forgot the woman who had guided her on this path. She visited Willow often, bringing her flowers and listening to her stories and advice. Their friendship grew, and Lily continued to learn from Willow's wisdom and support. Now, before we say goodbye, I want you to think about your own life. Have you ever experienced the power of honesty? Maybe you've told the truth about something small, or perhaps you've stood up for what you believe in, despite being scared. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your stories might inspire others, just like Lily's did for the children in the neighborhood. And remember, honesty isn't just about not lying. It's also about embracing who you are, facing challenges with bravery, and treating others with kindness. It's a journey that starts with a single step. Like Lily's decision to be honest with her friend Sam. If you enjoyed this tale, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep being honest, brave, and kind, and never stop believing in the magic of life.